Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and you can see that we've got quite a few decks in front of us. This is how to choose your first tarot deck, and it's one that I get asked, a question that I get asked quite a lot actually. And I always say that you should start with the original Rider-Waite tarot deck. And that is because it is the first deck that was back in 1909. It's the first deck that had every single card, the majors and the minors illustrated, so that you would have a picture on every card that would be able to prompt your intuition and be able, so basically the card tells you what the card means, the picture tells you what the card means. So it's a very visual way of learning the tarot. And then once you've learned all of the cards in the original Rider, this is the original Rider-Waite tarot deck, conceived by Arthur Edward Waite, and the cards have been designed by Pamela Coleman Smith. So this is the original deck. I recommend starting with this. If you don't like the look of this one, if you just want something that's coloured slightly, then you can go for a clone, a Rider-Waite clone. And these are the Rider-Waite clones. So you've got here the Tarot Original 1909. So it's exactly the same images, just with a slight different colour. Then you've got the Vintage, and this is Tarot Vintage. This has, you see again, Arthur Edward Waite and Pamela. So this is exactly the same deck, same illustrations, coloured slightly to make it look more vintage. Then you've got the Tarot of Traditions. This is exactly the same images with I would say, I mean, it's one of my favourite decks, this, but it's quite vibrant colour difference. So it's again a clone. Then you have the Radiant, I was going to say to you, you've got the Radiant Weiser Tarot. Now, the Radiant Weiser Spirit, this is a gorgeous deck, and I use this a lot in the tarot readings that I do. I have got also a mini, so you can buy with all of these Rider-Waite clones. You can either get a big deck or a standard deck, or you can go for a mini. Quite a few of them have minis as well. And if you fancy something a bit smaller in your hands, here's a Radiant Rider-Waite Tarot. So Radiant Rider-Waite Tarot. Again, it's a clone of the original Rider-Waite. And then this is the Universal Waite Tarot deck. See, drawings by Pamela, recoloured by Mary Hanson Roberts. So this is just a recoloration of exactly the same deck. And then you have the Weiser. Now, I read with these for quite a while on the channel. Again, you see, Arthur Edward Waite, Pamela Coleman Smith. So it's a clone, if you like, really. And they are gorgeous illustrations. I've got them here. Actually got some here. I was using them in a video I did earlier. So it's just a slight recoloration. And then if you look at it compared to, this is my Weiser. They're just like a different colour. So it's just a variation of the colour scheme, not the theme. Then the Universal Waite, which is the one I train in all the new things. And you've got, you see, it's exactly the same images. That's not a particularly nice image to call up, but it's a slightly different texture, waxier feel, and just a slight recoloration and maybe a minor alteration. So that's that. And the same with the Tarot of Traditions. Then you've got here, these are very vibrant in comparison, you see, so you've got quite, but the same images. So it doesn't matter which one you've got when you're learning, then you will have the same meanings for the cards. Now, the reason I suggest the Rider-Waite is because of the history of it. So it's the foundation deck. As I say, in 1909, it was the first deck to ever have the illustrations, the minor cards illustrated, so that you could read them all and see that. So you've got very clear imagery and every card is illustrated. Learning resources point of view, almost every tarot teacher will teach you these first. And then once you've done this and you've mastered the keywords to the illustrations and you've developed your intuition with them, so you go, well, I know that this means that he's looking into the future, so he's looking to see when his ship's going to come in. So all of these, I mean, you can see I've done a video which is a couple of years old now, Tarot in 30 minutes. So I use the Rider-Waite, and actually most of us tarot readers do. So those are clones. So a Rider-Waite clone, exactly the same images, slight variation in colour. Let's pop those to one side. And then you have the next one, which is, they are not the clones, they're Rider-Waite based. So you've got the Aquarian Tarot. Now this was actually quite an old deck. and they have similar images. So similar, they're using similar images. So once you've read the Rider-Waite, you should be able to then transfer. There's a video that I've done recently called the Marseille, no, not the Marseille, the Marchetti. And in there I go through each of the decks, each of the cards of the Marchetti against a traditional Rider-Waite, so that you can see the difference. These are ones that are clones. So this is the Black Ritual Tarot. Similar images, some of them just black and white. The Aquarian. This is now Ciro Marchetti does a lot of Rider-Waite based tarot decks, and they are stunning. They're very beautiful. We've got quite a few of them in store, and actually they are on a lot. There's a lot of videos with them. Morgan Greer is one of my favourites as well. I've been using this deck, well, for years and years. It's an old deck. Then you have this Ethereal Visions, which is actually one, and it's going to pop those out of the way before they all fall over. A very popular deck. It's very Art Deco, very goldy, and all of these decks I have on the channel, so you should be able to see them. Then you can have themes. They're still Rider-Waite based, as in it's Rider-Waite images, scenes, I want to say really, scenes rather than images. So here you've got crows, and all of the crows are using exactly the same scenery as the original Rider-Waite. Then you've got the Connolly, which is again a Rider-Waite based deck. Much more alive. You see he's looking, this is the Hierophant, so the giving and receiving of knowledge. Very similar, but not the same. And then you have the Witch theme. So Everyday Witch, that's a really popular Rider-Waite based deck. So it just means you've got the same scenes, different images, different themes in the Rider-Waite based decks. Like this one is one of the, and I say the most popular, but I've just literally pulled out the most popular decks for you here. This is the Light Seers, which a lot of people love, and you can see why. This is a mini version of it. It's just absolutely stunning visuals from Chris Ann. Now she uses the Rider-Waite based to give exactly the same message. The card again will tell you the story of the card. The images will tell you the story of the card. So that's it. Then in addition to the Rider-Waite clones, you've got Rider-Waite based. There are a couple of others, but these I don't recommend for beginners, and that's the Marseille, which originates from France. So around about the same sort of time, it actually was, it predates Rider-Waite, came from Italy and then moved over to France. And it doesn't have any of the minor cards illustrated at all. Well, they're illustrated, but they're not illustrated with characters and scenes. And then you have the Thoth, Aleister Crowley's Thoth tarot deck. So these I would say are for more experienced readers, or if you want to specifically stick with these two systems. Again, I've done a video on the difference between the Thoth, the Marseille and the Rider-Waite. But for your first tarot deck, I strongly recommend a Rider-Waite tarot deck, or if you want to then have a Rider-Waite based. I'd stick with the Rider-Waite clone, and then, or even go for the original. I very often say get the original, because that's the one that everybody starts with. But if you want something a bit more zhuzh in it, then you go for a clone. Then you go from that over to the Rider-Waite based, and then, as I said, there are those other two systems. I hope that you found that helpful. If you've got any questions at all, please leave them in the comments and I will get back to you. Thanks so much for your time. Bye bye.